Of course, I didn't have a recording. So I picked these Flow lowering pegs up off a guy on the, I believe is on the Netra Facebook page. $100 shipped. A little issue with shipping we ran into, but nothing major. But for $100, all day. They're a lot wider than factory. Quite a bit. Maybe a smidge. No, about the same out, just a wider platform. Supposedly lower though, so we'll see. Just shits and giggles. Top of the spikes, 20-ish. It's got a little bit of an upsweep, so 19 3/4 to 20. Pegs on. 19 1/4. Top of the spikes. 1/2 inch. Man, it looks so much more than that. Now I gotta adjust this down 1/2 inch and then my shifter. You definitely feel the difference sitting on the bike. I don't think they'll make much of a difference as far as ground clearance, but cool. Or Go Fast parts. Oh, graphics came off too. I'm not running shit supporting other people for no reason, so those came off. I'm just gonna move it down 1/2 inch, so to 19 exactly. So apparently, according to this thing, I way under tighten everything. I don't know if that's good or bad, but everything was like 8 Newton meters, I think. 8 foot-pounds. It's supposed to be 11 something, then 14 something. And yeah, so lesson learned, I guess. Alright, that was just a quick video, changing over the 4 pegs. I like them so far. I haven't been able to ride with them, obviously. The local track is about 6 feet deep in water right now because we have some serious flooding going up here, so they might be open this weekend, so we'll see. But that's it. Check torque specs, change pegs. I actually set my race sag. It's at 100 mil. It's at 110 now. I think that's it. Other than that, she's ready to ride.